The Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, CESTAT, Bangalore, in the case of Malyakkal Industrial Enterprises versus Commissioner of Customs, Cochin. The case revolves around the import of boric acid for non-insecticidal purposes by Malyakkal Industrial Enterprises between 2005 and 2013. The appellant challenged the requirement to obtain an import permit from the Central Insecticide Board, as mandated by Notification No. 2, Re 06, 2004-2009 dated 7 April 2006. Initially, the single bench of the Hobbieli High Court of Kerala ruled in favor of the appellant, stating that the condition to obtain a registration certificate was arbitrary and unsustainable. However, this decision was overturned by the division bench of the High Court in 2014, which upheld the requirement for the registration certificate. Despite this, the tribunal noted that the imports were cleared provisionally under the directions of the High Court during the disputed period, and the appellant complied with the condition to use the goods for industrial purposes only. The tribunal ruled that the penalty under Section 112A of the Customs Act, 1962, was not applicable, as the goods were cleared under the High Court's directions and the bond executed under Section 18 of the Customs Act was not in line with the provisions of Section 124 and 143. Additionally, the tribunal dismissed the revenues appeal seeking redemption fine and increased penalty, citing the lack of physical availability of goods and compliance with the High Court's directions. Case citation followed by the tribunal. Malyakkal Industrial Enterprises vs. Union of India, 2013, Kerala. Union of India vs. Malyakkal Industrial Enterprises, 2015, Kerala. Malyakkal Industrial Enterprises vs. Union of India, 2017, Kerala. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.